To understand mushrooms, we must go further back than dinosaurs. Far beyond human history, even before forests existed. We are talking about a time when Earth was still young, over 1 billion years ago. The planet looked completely different. No grass, no trees, no animals on land. Only rock, water, and primitive life forms. And in this empty world, something extraordinary began to evolve. Fungi. Before plants conquered land, fungi were already experimenting with survival on it. Early Earth had no fertile soil, only bare rock. So how did anything survive? Fungi developed a revolutionary strategy. They could break down rock itself. Slowly, chemically, biologically, they began to turn stone into soil. This was one of the most important transformations in Earth's history. Without fungi, there would be no soil. Without soil, there would be no plants. Without plants, there would be no oxygen-rich atmosphere as we know it. That means no forests, no animals, no humans. Fungi didn't just appear in Earth's ecosystem, they helped build it. The secret alliance that created forests. Around 400 to 500 million years ago, plants finally started to move onto land. But they faced a problem. They had no way to absorb nutrients from dry soil. And here, fungi stepped in again. A partnership formed that would change life forever. Plants provided sugars made from sunlight. Fungi provided water and minerals from underground. This relationship is called mycorrhiza. Today, over 90% of all plant species still depend on it. Without fungi, modern forests collapse within years. Modern science has discovered something even more surprising. Fungal networks behave almost like an intelligent system. They can redistribute nutrients to weaker trees. They detect damage in plants and transfer chemical signals across kilometers. These networks also regulate ecosystem balance. Some scientists describe it as nature's underground internet. It's not alive in the way animals are, but certainly not passive either. This is a living system, operating effectively without a brain. But the story of fungi is not only about creation. It is also about death. In the same kingdom that builds forests, there are species that can destroy human organs in silence. Deathcap, Amanita phalloides. This is the most infamous mushroom on Earth. It is responsible for the majority of fatal mushroom poisonings worldwide. It contains toxins called amatoxins. These toxins do something terrifying. They shut down protein production in human cells. First target, the liver, then kidneys, then multiple organ failure. What makes it deadly is delay. A person may feel completely fine for a whole day while internal damage is already progressing. When symptoms appear, medical intervention is often too late. Destroying angel, Amanita virosa, pure white, almost beautiful. This mushroom looks harmless, even pure, but it carries the same toxic family as the deathcap. It destroys liver cells rapidly. Even experienced foragers fear it, because in the forest, beauty is not a sign of safety. Small, brown, easy to ignore. This mushroom often grows on decaying wood. It blends perfectly with edible species, but it contains amatoxins as well. A single mistake can be fatal. Deadly webcat, Cortinarius rubellus. Unlike other poisonous mushrooms, this one attacks slowly. It damages kidneys over several days. Victims may not even realize they are poisoned until organ failure begins. By the time diagnosis happens, the damage is often irreversible. Next, we have the fool's funnel, Clitocybe dealbata. This mushroom contains a chemical that overstimulates the nervous system. It can cause sweating, low blood pressure, and breathing difficulties. Also confusion. It is not always fatal, but extremely dangerous. Unlike poisonous animals, mushrooms cannot be easily categorized as safe or dangerous. There is no universal rule like bright color equals poison or dark color equals safe. Evolution made fungi extremely diverse. Some edible mushrooms have toxic lookalikes that are nearly identical. Even experts rely on experience, habitat, and microscopic analysis, not guesswork. Why would fungi evolve deadly toxins? The answer is survival. Fungi do not move. They cannot escape predators. So instead, they develop chemical defense systems. These toxins protect them from being eaten. Some compounds target animals, others target insects, and some accidentally affect humans. We are not the target, but we are vulnerable. Fungi are not simple organisms. They are ancient architects of Earth. They created soil. They helped plants evolve. They connect forests. They recycle death. And they can also cause death. They exist in both worlds, life and decay, creation and destruction. And perhaps that is why they survived for over 1 billion years, unchanged in their fundamental role. Because in nature, nothing is wasted, not even death.